Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer AWS Route 53 health checks for uptime monitoring, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring AWS Route 53 health checks for uptime monitoring, log into your AWS Management Console. In the console, navigate to the Route 53 service. On the left-hand menu, click on Health Checks. Here, you will see a list of your existing health checks. Identify the health check you wish to transfer. Next, select the health check by checking the box next to it. Click on the Actions drop-down menu and choose Export. This will allow you to download the health check settings as a JSON file. Open the downloaded JSON file in your preferred text editor. Review the contents to ensure all parameters are correctly listed. Now, go back to the AWS Management Console and access the Route 53 service again. Click on Health Checks in the left-hand menu. This time, select Create Health Check. Fill in the necessary fields using the details from your JSON file. Make sure to adjust any parameters that may have changed since the original setup. Once you have entered all the required information, click on Create Health Check at the bottom. Your new health check is now created and ready for monitoring. If you need to delete the old health check, go back to the list of health checks. Select the old health check and click on the Actions drop-down menu again. Choose Delete to remove the old health check from your account. Confirm the deletion when prompted to finalize the process. You have successfully transferred your AWS Route 53 health checks for uptime monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.